Welcome to my channel again, friends. Hope you are all doing good. And today we are going to learn that dictionary functions. In the previous session, we have seen what is dictionary, what is the basic idea of the dictionary, how to create a dictionary in Python, what is the syntax of a dictionary, right? So today we are going to see how to construct a dictionary using a inbuilt constructor, and then we are going to move into the functions that different types of function use along with the Python dictionary, right? So I will starting from here because this will be your revision as well. Like you can see here, syntax is given for dictionary as well. You can see here that dictionary name is the dictionary name, means whatever be the name you will give. Suppose if I am giving D, then I am writing 1 colon 55. So this 1 will be the key and 55 will be the value. If I write 2 colon 78, so 2 will be the key and 78 will be the value. Like this is the general syntax of a dictionary. Now in this example, just look at this example. Marks equals to physics 75, chemistry 78, maths 81, and cs 80, sorry, 78 again. So this in this dictionary, in this case, marks is the name of the dictionary, physics is the key over here, chemistry is the key, maths and cs, these are the keys. So whenever I am creating a dictionary, always remember the key will be the first element and in the pair, and the second element will be the value. Always the first element before the colon is the key and the second element after the colon will be the value. This is the general syntax of a dictionary in Python. Okay, now if I write a dictionary like this, the empty second bracket, if I write this type of thing, empty second bracket or a curly braces, inside it no element is there, nothing is there, so it will be considered as a empty dictionary. Okay, so these are the some concept over here I have given in the previous video as well. Now suppose I am having a list and I want to make it a dictionary. Okay, so I can make a list or a tuple into a dictionary, or if I am having the values of dictionary like this, I can change it in a dictionary like this. Marks equals to DIC. This DICT, this is the constructor. Okay, this is called Python constructor, or this is called dictionary using a constructor, creating a dictionary using a constructor. Okay, so with the single parenthesis, I can use a dictionary or I can create a dictionary. Okay, we will see this in the practical as well, that how it will going to be work. Okay, here you will see that marks equals to dic, I am writing physics 75, chemistry 78, maths 81, and cs 87, sorry 78 again. So here in the previous week, the previous dictionary you have seen, we have used here the curly braces, like the second bracket, to enclose the dictionary. But in this case, when you are using a constructor, you don't need to use the curly braces, you can use just a simple parenthesis. Okay, a single parenthesis, but you have to use here the equal sign, so that it will be considered as a key and this will be considered as a value. Okay, here chemistry will be considered as the key and 78 will be considered as the value of the key chemistry, right? So here the dictionary is constructing like this. I am giving the instruction that make this maths as a key, and within this maths 81 will be the value. Okay, I hope you have understood the concept along with the DICT constructor. Okay, so with the help of this DICT constructor, we can create a dictionary, okay, in Python. So now let's move to the Jupyter notebook, and you will see that how this is going to be work. Okay, so let's move into the file that we have created for our class 11 Python basics. Okay, so here we will so here we have written this: marks equals to DICT, physics equals to 75, chemistry equals to 78, like this. And if I write and what is this type, actually this will give you the type of the variable marks, whatever be the type of this variable that is given by this type function. Okay, now let me run this code. Okay, sorry, by mistakenly I have not given here yes. Okay. So see here, physics 75, this is created in a dictionary format. It is given in a dictionary format. You can see the output over here very clearly, that physics 75, chemistry 78, maths 81, and CS 80, sorry 78. Okay, now I will create a dictionary with the second bracket. Yes. Now erasing this part and writing here a curly braces. Now when I am giving here a curly braces, I cannot use this equal sign. Rather than I have to give the proper syntax, that is a colon. Okay. Now if I run the dictionary, you will see the same thing will happen. Okay. Very sorry. I have not given here quotation or the quotes, so that it is not taking as an keys. Okay. In the previous case, when we are writing it with the equal sign, it is actually declaring some variables, that is physics, chemistry, maths, and CS are the variable names which are storing the value inside it, and DICT constructor is converting those variables into keys and the values into value for the key, particular key. So I don't have to write their double quotes because those are the variable. But here it is not a variable. Physics, chemistry, maths, those are the keys. In the format of keys, we are writing here. Okay. This colon is extra. So here it is. So if I write the syntax like this: physics, chemistry, maths, and CS, why we have given here quotation? I hope you have understood the concept that these are the string. So I have to mention it with the quotations, otherwise it will not take it as a string. Okay. So here physics, chemistry, maths and CS are the keys of the dictionary, and 75, 78, 81 and 78 are the values of the dictionary. Okay. Now if I want to extract only the keys, writing the name of the dictionary, okay, and similarly I will write here another statement, but the function will be different, values. Okay. Now if I run the code, it is not giving here. Okay, let me move on to the Python notes again, and I will show you that what are the functions that will let us extract the keys and the values from a dictionary. Okay, let's see. See, these are the functions of dictionaries. First function is len. You have already know what is len. You have already learned about len function in the chapter list, string, tuple. So length function will give you the length of the dictionary. It will find the length of the dictionary. Okay. What is the syntax? The syntax is this one, that length, then len length, then the name of the dictionary. Right. Next is clear. So if I want to remove all the elements of the dictionary, I have to use this clear function. Okay. So how to use this? The name of the dictionary dot clear. If I write the name of the dictionary dot clear, then it will clear all the elements of the dictionary. Okay. Next inbuilt function or dictionary function is get. Now what is this get? Get function will return value of keys. Now if I write marks dot get physics, then it will return you the value of physics. Whatever be the value of the key physics, it will return it to you. Now if I write dictionary name dot get key, then it will give you all the keys of the dictionary. Okay, like that. Next one is item. Okay, now return, it will return all the elements as sequence of key and value in a tuple order. Right. Now let me write this with this syntax, dictionary name dot items, and show you that how it will work. I will show you, but let is prior to that, I will just want to give you this one, the idea of key and value function, as we will see this functions too. So see, this key function will return all the keys or extract all the keys in the form of list. Okay, in the form of list, and this value function will return all the values in the form of list. So if I write marks dot keys, then only it will give you all the keys like this. Okay, if I write marks dot values, then it will give you all the values like this. Okay, whatever be the values inside the dictionary, it will give you. Another function of dictionary is update. Okay, this is the last one. This update will march to dictionary already present element are overridden. That means if I want to join two dictionaries, two different dictionaries, suppose this is D1 and this is D2. So if I write D1 dot update D2, it will add all the elements of D2 into the D1. Okay. As an example, you can see here that marks 1 and marks 2. If I write marks 1 dot update marks 2, it is adding all the elements that is present in marks 2. See, this element is common actually in marks 1 and marks 2. So it is not repeating the element. It is not repeating the same element. Okay, but it is updating the value of this element actually. You can see previously it is 78, it is now 88 in the second one. So the key is 1 only. This is the actual beauty of a dictionary, that the keys will not repeat itself. So key will be 1 only and the value will be updated. The new value will be overwrite actually. Okay, so this is the idea of update function of dictionary. Now what is the problem with this one? That is, I have to write here marks dot dictionary dot keys, not keys marks. Okay, similarly I have to write here values, marks dot values, marks dot values. Okay, and run it. You can see DICT keys will be physics, chemistry, maths and CS. The values will be 75, 78 and 81, 78. Okay, so this way we can get the keys and values. Now if I will write here print length of marks, so it will give you the length of the marks. So how many elements we are having in the dictionary actually? We are having 4 elements. Okay, see, this key and value pair is 1 element. Physics colon 75 is 1 element. Chemistry colon 78 is another element. Like this we are having 4 individual elements, and that will count the length, means that will denote the length of a dictionary. How many elements is present inside the dictionary? That is the length of the dictionary. Right. So I hope you have understood the things. I hope you have understood the concept of dictionary and how to use the dictionary functions and all. In the next session, we will see a short code over dictionary, that how to write a code in Python for a dictionary function and using some more functions like update and get keys, these functions. Till then, like, share and subscribe my channel if you like the video, and keep learning. Thank you very much. Let's end up the class.